When should I let my paint dry? Welcome back to Acrylic Arts Academy. We teach the world to paint. Letting your paint dry in between layers will help you achieve a boldness of color, which isn't possible when you keep working over wet paint. When too much paint is piled on the surface of the canvas, it starts to slip around and mix in with the previous layer of color, which is fine for creating a gradient like this. But when you're trying to create a new layer of imagery, the mixture leaves your paint looking muddled with the color before it, which isn't ideal. In order to avoid this, let your paint dry in between layers. So, how long does it take acrylic paint to dry? Check the label of your paint. Most will say to wait at least 15 minutes to let your paint dry. Times may vary. Waiting a bit longer is definitely better than not waiting long enough. How can I speed up the process of drying paint? There are a few ways to speed up the drying process of acrylic paint. You can use a simple fan pointed at your artwork, which will easily move the air faster and therefore dry things up faster. Beware of a dusty fan or particulates in the air with this method, as wet paint will perfectly pick up any pieces of dust in the air. The second way to make your paint dry faster is to mix an additive to your paint, which will make it dry quicker between layers. Simply mix the additive in with each color you're using in accordance with the label instructions and apply as usual. Did this video help you? If so, please subscribe to our channel.